Hello everyone, welcome back to the virtual workspace. This is the 25th video series, uh, mastering virtual app and desktop, upgrading Citrix version. And today's video, we are going to upgrade the VDA agent. So this is the last component in our Citrix environment. We have already upgraded the uh, Citrix directors, controller, storefront servers. And today we are going to upgrade the last uh, component, VDA agent. So the checklist, we need to take the server snapshot and we need to check the services status. So that I already did. And now we will log in into the server and start the upgrade. I have already attached the setup ISO file to the server, and now we can start the upgrade. I'll just run this setup with the admin run as admin users, and it will start the installation. It will the setup will detect the previous component, and then we just need to select that, and it will start automatic update. So while upgrading Citrix VDA agent, so there are two type of one is a clean installation and other one is in place. So we are doing in place. It will keep the if for in if you are doing in place upgrade, it will keep your all old setting and configuration as it is. And if it is clean installation, then you need to configure the settings. So we are doing in place upgrade. We are upgrading the VDA agent. So this is the previous version. So Citrix Virtual App and Desktop 2203 LTSR, and now we are upgrading to 2402 LTSR version. So setup is launch, and now we can start the upgrade. So it's already detected the previous version. So now we just need to click here to upgrade the VDA agent. Normally, VDA agent upgrade is simple. Just you need to run the setup and follow the screen instruction. But sometime it could get failed. So in that scenario, you need to use the VDA agent cleanup utility to uninstall the previous version. And for that, I have already created one video. If you in troubleshooting session part, so there I have already created that video. So that video in that video I explain if VDA agent uh, installation or upgradation failed, how to troubleshoot that. So you can watch that video if VDA agent upgrade failed. So setup is launch, and we can start the installation. So I'm not going to select workspace. We just need to upgrade the uh, VDA agent. So here you can select the component. You can select the component as per your environment. If you select this option, um, this is only for the Citrix Cloud environment. If you select this one, VDA agent will automatically upgrade to the next available version, and it will automatically upgrade the version. So no need to do it manually. I'm just going with the default component. I'm just selecting this Citrix. Okay, I'm going with the default. Actually, we already we don't need this, but you can select this component as per your is environment. Okay, I am going with the default here again. VDA agent is that remote desktop assistance was there in previous installation, so I'm going with this option. Select next. It will start the installation, and the port and the firewall port, select the automatic option, so it will be automatically configured that required port. So just click on the upgrade. It will start the upgrade, and while upgrading the VDA agent, it may reboot the server. So once if it is after reboot, it will start the installation again. It will start installation again, mean it will continue the installation after reboot. So upgrade is started. First it will upgrade or install the prerequisite, and then it will start the core component. So to save your time, I'll just skip this. I'll skip this in recording, and I will start again once the prerequisite installation and it is completed. Prerequisite installation is completed. Now the VDA agent upgraded started. It is showing it will take 21 minutes. Component initialization is going on, and for that we need to restart the server, and after restart it will continue the installation. So setup is launch, and after restart setup the upgrade is setup is launched, and it is continue the upgrade. So server is restarted. So let me log in into the server, and then installation will continue. VDA agent upgrade is completed now, and the component initialization is started. It will take some time. It's showing 1 minute, but it will take some time, and then upgrade will complete. Upgrade is completed. Now I'm going to click on next. Okay. Upgrade is completed now. I'm going to restart the server, and then we will just check the component status. After upgrade, server is restarted now, and it is completed. We will just check the version. So it is upgraded to the 2402 LTSR CU2 CU2. So video agent upgrade is completed. We have upgraded all our Citrix environment to 2402 LTSR CU2. So this is the end of this video, as well as our series mastering virtual app and desktop. So just quick recap about series what we cover. So in first part about Citrix architect, so we understand the Citrix architect, and install and configure all the Citrix component one by one. We have published our first application, and we test that. We have configured the Citrix Citrix UPM profile, and in second part is about troubleshooting common issues. So we have created a 5 to 6 video for this, and the third part is about Citrix version upgrade. So we upgrade our Citrix environment from 2203 to 2402 LTSR. So this is end of this series. Thank you for your support. Please like this video and subscribe my channel. uh, you can contact me on my email ID, or the virtual desk the virtual workspace 2 at gmail.com for live session and training related inquiry. Also, if you have any query or concern, if you are following this if you are following a lab, and if you're creating lab, and if you stuck somewhere, if you need any help, or if you need the setup file, you can contact me my on my email ID. I'll just mention this in the description as well. So what is next? So, these are the upcoming playlist on virtual workspace uh, YouTube channel. First, I'm planning to create new playlist for Citrix VDA, then Citrix machine creation service, and then Citrix Cloud. So these are the upcoming playlist. So see you in the next playlist. Please like this video and subscribe my channel. And you can contact me on my email ID, the virtual workspace 2 at the gmail.com. Thank you guys. Thanks for your support.